Hey everyone, my name is Dave Werner and I'm a designer on the Adobe Character Animator team. And I love seeing everything that you all create and then I share it with the rest of the Character Animator team here at Adobe. So we all are so inspired and entertained by seeing your great work. In this short video, I'm just going to show how to put a character together. If this is your first time using Character Animator, it may be a little overwhelming seeing all this stuff on the screen and how you create a character. So probably the best place to start is on the home screen. So let's click the little home icon. And you'll notice if you are first trying Character Animator for the first time, you are probably seeing this mode, which is called Starter Mode. This is kind of the easiest way to get started with Character Animator, but you're going to be using pre-made characters only. You can't make your own characters in Starter Mode. So probably for the purposes of this project, you're going to want to go up here, click this, and change it to use Pro Mode. And Pro Mode is going to allow you to do a lot of different things. Number one is this thing right here. If you go to this first tile, it's called Open Puppet Maker. Go ahead and click on this. And this is going to open up a character creator system that you can use. So I can go through this process and quickly create a character with all sorts of different things, change the skin color, change what the eyelashes and eyebrows look like, change my eye color, add an eye patch or whatever I want to do. And very quickly, I can create an interesting character that has all sorts of different things to it. So within like the past 15 seconds, I've now made a custom character that I can use. Now here's the cool thing about this is this character could then be with a family of other characters. So if I like this character, I click generate. That's going to bring it into Character Animator and give me that full character with everything. And then I want to go back and make another character. I open up Puppet Maker again, and maybe I click the randomize button and I try a different thing. And this is going to just randomly select a bunch of things from the selections down here, and maybe I want to change something. I want to add a hat to her or change the color of her shirt. I can totally do that, generate out another puppet, and then you're going to have a bunch of different characters in a similar style. So I think this is a great place to start with a character, but one of the nice things is you can choose different styles as well. So maybe I want a more anime style character, so I can click on this, and now I've got a more anime style. And again, I can randomize it and create new characters this way as well. Or maybe I want a more claymation style character. There's a style for that too. So you have a bunch of different options here of what you can do. So let's start with just this basic character that I was creating over here, the 2D character type thing, cel shaded, more flat style character. And let's go ahead and click generate. Okay, so now I have this character ready to go in my scene, but maybe I want to add some more custom touches to it. And so I can go select my puppet over here and then click the PS icon that's going to open up this character in the original Photoshop file. And you'll see now it's showing up and I can see everything that is incorporated with my puppet. And maybe I want to do something different for the shirt. Maybe this is not a shirt that I own, but let's get rid of this heart and maybe I'm going to make a different symbol on here. So let's just take the brush and make it slightly bigger, something like this. And we'll just do green like that. I'll save this, go back to Character Animator, and when I come back, it's going to sync the changes and now show that new design on my shirt. So use Puppet Maker as maybe a starting point, but then integrate your own stuff over top of it. Put a different logo on the shirt, change colors, add different accessories and props to your character, and you can use it to really come to life. Now, if you don't want to start from a pre-made template or anything like that, and you just want to dig in and make it on your own, well, I highly recommend starting from a template as well, and a blank template. So what I would do is go to the home screen. In Pro Mode, I would go to See More, this little button here. That is going to take you to a website with a bunch of different templates that you can use. Go to this resources thing where it says Browse Resources, and you're going to find a lot of things that are going to really, really help you get started. So blank templates are going to have Photoshop or Illustrator show you all the different layers and groups that you might need, and then you just kind of fill in the artwork, and it should work for Character Animator pretty well. Same with these mouth packs. Instead of making a full mouth set from scratch, which can be very difficult and time consuming if you're not used to it, you can just download this for Photoshop or Illustrator and then just drag these into your different scenes, your different art files, and you will just automatically have a mouth set that works. Got some backgrounds here. This intro to rigging is going to show you like 15 different ways it looks like to rig a character. And there's a tutorial that'll teach you the basics of rigging. How do I get my arms to move, or my head to work, or my feet to stay stuck to the ground? And then some audio sound effects if you're into that as well. So I hope that's a quick intro to get started. I can't possibly go over everything that's available in Character Animator in such a short amount of time, but hopefully this gets the wheels turning, get inspired, and thinking about what's possible in Character Animator. And that's the great thing about this product is it's made for beginners and professionals alike. So people who have never touched animation programs before, they feel really comfortable coming into Character Animator and moving their head and talking and creating an animated character. And more professional advanced users love the ability to bring their creations to life in real time and be able to make live characters that have different triggerable elements. So if I go to my controls here, for example, I've got different eyes that I can trigger at any different time to make my character react to things, different backgrounds, all sorts of fun stuff like that. And you even can merge the worlds of frame-by-frame animation with live animation using behaviors like cycle layers and other things you can add to your character. Again, there's not enough time to go into all this stuff right now, but hopefully this is a quick overview of what's possible with Character Animator, and I am really excited to see what you all create and can't wait to watch. So have fun and good luck.